5. Functions of several variables. Functions of several variables is a function whose domain is a subset of r to the power of n. Here n is greater than or equal to 2. Here these are the some examples. Functions of one real variables के example. So f of x is equal to sin x, f of x is equal to x square, f of x is equal to order pairs x square comma x cube. For all x belongs to real line. Functions of two real variables. F of x comma y is equal to square root of x square plus y square. F of x comma y is equal to square root of 1 minus x square minus y square. F of x comma y is equal to sin x into cos y. Order pair x comma y belongs to R2 in the andre complex plane. Functions of three real variables. F of x comma y comma z is equal to xyz and f of x comma y comma z is equal to order pairs 1 by x comma 1 by yz. For all x comma y comma z belongs to R3. We know that the definition of linear transformation. Once again, I can repeat it. Let x and y be two vector spaces, then a mapping A from x to y is said to be a linear transformation if first one A of x1 plus x2 is equal to A of x1 plus A of x2. Second one, A of cx is equal to C into A of x. For all x, x1, x2 belongs to x and C is a scalar. First one is vector addition and second one is scalar multiplication. A linear transformation from a vector space x2 itself is often called as linear operator on x. If the linear operator is 1, 1 and on 2, then we say A is invertible. The inverse of A na ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? A inverse. In this case, we have A into A inverse of x is equal to x and A inverse of A of x is equal to x for all x belongs to x. Note, if A is a linear transformation, then A inverse is also linear. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ proof ನೋಡಿ. ಏನಂತ prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? A inverse satisfies the first condition vector addition and second condition scalar multiplication. Let A of x1 is equal to y1. In terms of x1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ this implies x1 is equal to A inverse of y1. A of x2 is equal to y2. This implies x2 is equal to A inverse of y2. Consider A inverse of y1 plus y2. We know that y1 is equal to A of x1, y2 is equal to A of x2. Substitute. Again, ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? A of x1 plus x2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು because A is a linear transformation. Also, we know that this value is x1 plus x2 and we know that x1 value and x2 value. Substitute. So, it satisfies the first property. Again, consider A inverse of cy1. y1 ಅಂದರೆ ax1. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು? A of cx1 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. This value is cx1. x1 ಅಂದರೆ A inverse of y1. So it satisfies the A inverse satisfies the second property. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ A inverse is a linear transformation. We know the following result from linear algebra. You know, theorem A linear operator on a finite dimensional vector space is 1, 1 if and only if it is onto. Now set of all linear transformation from vector space x to vector space y ನ ಏನಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? L of x, y ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. If a1, a2 belongs to L of x, y and c1 and c2 are scalars, then we define c1 a1 plus c2 a2 by c1 a1 plus c2 a2 of x is equal to ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಬರೆಯುವುದು? c1 a1 of x plus c2 a2 of x for all x belongs to x. Then clearly c1 a1 plus c2 a2 ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ L of x, y ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? It is also a linear transformation. We simply write L of x for L of x, x. Another definition ನೋಡಿ. If A belongs to L of x, y, B belongs to L of y, z, then their product BA is defined to be a composition of B and A. That is, BA of x is equal to B of A of x for all x belongs to x. Clearly one can see that BA ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, this is also a linear transformation and BA belongs to L of x comma z. Note, if x belongs to Rn, x ಅನ್ನೋದು Rn ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, n ಟ್ರಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ mod x ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, mod x is equal to square root of x1 square plus x2 square plus so on xn square. Clearly mod x value is less than infinity for all x belongs to Rn. If a belongs to L of Rn comma Rm, norm a ನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, norm a is equal to supremum of mod ax such that for all mod x is less than or equal to 1. Proposition: mod ax less than or equal to norm a into mod x for all x belongs to Rn, a belongs to L of Rn comma Rm. Here a is a linear transformation and x belongs to Rn. Proof: the above inequality is trivial if x is equal to 0. Here ಏನಾದರೂ x is equal to 0 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ LHS and RHS is also 0. So it is a trivial case. Suppose if 0 not equal to x belongs to Rn, then x by mod x belongs to Rn. ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. mod x by mod x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು, mod x by mod x ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 1. Since norm a is the supremum of the numbers mod ay for all mod y less than or equal to 1, where mod ay is less than or equal to norm a. Yes, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ, for all y belongs to R1 mod y less than or equal to 1. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದೆ, mod a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ is the supremum of the all the numbers mod ay. So this is true for all y belongs to R1. So this is true for x by mod x ಗೂ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore mod a of x by mod x is less than or equal to norm a for all 0 not equal to x belongs to Rn. Again ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು, this implies 1 by mod x mod ax less than or equal to norm a. ಅಗೈನ್ ಈ mod x ನ ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore mod ax less than or equal to norm a mod x for all x belongs to Rn. Proposition: if lambda is a number such that mod ax less than or equal to lambda into mod x for all x belongs to Rn, then norm a less than or equal to lambda. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಂತ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅದು ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತು ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಎನ್ಗೆ, ದೆನ್ ನಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೂಫ್: ಗಿವನ್ ದಟ್ mod ax less than or equal to lambda into mod x for all x belongs to Rn. This is true for all mod x less than or equal to 1 also. Again this condition is true. This implies mod ax less than or equal to lambda for all mod x less than or equal to 1. It means lambda is the upper bound of all numbers mod ax for all mod x less than or equal to 1. Since norm a is the supremum ಅಂದರೆ least upper bound of all numbers mod ax for all mod x less than or equal to 1. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾರ್ಮ್ mod ax ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ನಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ.